In this video, we will learn how to calculate a standard curve using Compass. Make sure you have fully annotated your assay template with sample names and attributes. This information will enable Compass to quickly calculate a curve. Also, if applicable, perform a cartridge correction. See the video on cartridge corrections for more information. Let's get started. First, let's name the peak for your standard curve protein and target protein. Click on Edit, then Analysis. Select the Peak Names option. In this example, we're using Nuke A. Check out the video on peak naming for a more in-depth look at peak naming options. Next, let's set up the standard curve. Click the standard curve option to the left. Click Add. Now we have curve 1. You can rename this. Select the appropriate fit. Check out the video on standard curve fits and Compass to learn more about your options. Next, select weighting. In simple terms, weighting biases the data towards smaller value data points, which can be helpful if you want higher accuracy at the lower end of your standard curve. Select the cartridge that contains a standard curve by using the drop-down menu in Standards From. In this example, it is cartridge 1. The best options for your curve fit and weighting will depend on your experiment. Finally, we will select the capillaries with the standard curve samples. You can see that the concentrations are already filled in from the assay template. Enter the units for your concentration in the Units box. Click OK to save changes. Now you have a standard curve graph and equation.